Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. I'm going to talk about 3 penny stocks that you might consider to put on your watch list. Go ahead and hit that like button if you trade penny stocks. But before I get started, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. The first penny stock I'm going to talk about is Tuesday Morning. Ticker symbol is TUEM. Well, today it closed at $2.22. It was up 28% and even went up after hours. Let's take a look at a 3 months chart. It was trading above $4 and then they had their earnings and then it came crashing down to a low of $154. This week, a lot of Form 4s were filed, showing that management is buying shares of Tuesday Morning stock at these levels. In total, its CEO, COO, and CMO purchased more than 760,000 shares between average prices of $168 and $181. You'll also see that there were additional shares accounted for on the Form 4s of COO Mark Katz and CMO Paul McCaff. These were restricted stock units that vest during certain periods of their employment, provided certain thresholds. To say, even at the lower end of this range, that's more than $1.2 million. The company managed to beat sales estimates. If you have followed Tuesday Morning in the past, you know that it recently emerged out of bankruptcy, which was sparked by the 2020 pandemic shutdown. Now, in 2021, the company has focused its efforts on a full reboot. With reopening efforts continuing, retail stocks remain a focus for some traders. Tuesday Morning specializes in off-price retail and name brand products for the home. A surge in new homes, new builds, and the like have also brought some speculation to names within this retail niche. According to the company, its first quarter fiscal 2022 comparable store sales are up low single digits quarter to date compared to a similar period in fiscal 2020. This is slightly improved from fiscal 2021 based on headwinds from the industry-wide supply chain issues. It appears that the market has reacted favorably to the insider activity so far. This is a stock that you guys definitely want to keep on your watch list. In the past, I have bought Tuesday Morning. If you take a look at my orders, I first got in, this was back in January when the stock was actually $158. And you can see my order, I sold 2,000 shares at $4.50. This was July 13. Went from $1. So I did make a decent amount of money on the stock, which I'm planning to get back in again. The second penny stock I'm going to talk about is Synergy Maritime Holdings. Ticker is SHIP. So this is an industrial penny stock. And over the last year, the shares have climbed by over 180%. So their business is built on the transport of dry bulk commodities by sea. Primarily, the company transports both iron ore and coal. And as of early 2021, the company had 11 capsized vessels in total. But the number has definitely increased. On September 8th, the company took delivery of its 17th capsized vessel, the NV World ship. Synergy has engaged in the immediate commencement of periodic charter for the vessel. This is the 6th capsized delivery that the company has completed in 2021. This vessel was purchased with cash on hand, and the company is in advanced discussions with a leading bank to finance part of the acquisition cost, the CEO stated. Including this delivery and the sale of the MV leadership, 94% of our fleet is employed under period time charters, 87% of which are index-linked TCs. This allows us to utilize our fleets in order to capitalize on the robust market rates. Synergy also recently participated in the H.C. Wainwright 23rd Annual Global Investment Conference. It also just participated in the 20th Annual Marine Money Week Asia. 9 months chart, it looks like it wants to break above 150. Once it does, it can try to reach the 245 that we have seen back early February. This is the third penny stock. It's Waiter Holdings. Ticker is WTRH. So this stock has been being down for the past year. It went from a high of 433 all the way to a low of 0.89. Right now, the RSI says it's oversold, and I do believe that we might see a bounce in the near future. That's why I decided to buy 10 leap calls. So I paid a total of 0.60, so $60 a contract and spent $600. It actually reached $1 today. And right now I am up almost 12%, which is pretty good. And there's still about a year and a half left before this option expires. I'm planning to add more to my position as time goes on. Let's just take a quick look at the chart. It is extremely oversold and it's ready to bounce. We have been seeing volume coming in the last couple of days. So definitely keep this on your watch list. I do have a price target of $250 in the next year or so. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my Patreon Discord page. I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who's trying to make money in the stock market or trying to rebuild their portfolios. Hope to see you there.